Hey guys, so in today's video I will be customizing and installing this wig from Tinashe hair. Right now I am just showing you what the packaging looks like and what it came with. So this hair is a 24-inch body wave and it came pre-plucked. What I will be doing next is bleaching the knots. I use a small packet of quick blue bleach and 30 developer that I got from Sally's. And also my styrofoam mannequin head that looks like she's been going through it. So I put the wig on the mannequin head upside down for me to apply the bleach easier, and then I start mixing everything up. I mix a little developer at a time till I get this toothpaste consistency. You don't want the bleach too runny because it will seep through the lace and get all on the hair, which that's not what we were trying to do. Next, I lightly brushed the bleach onto the lace, took it off my mannequin head, and laid it on a plastic bag. After waiting for about 30 minutes, it was time to rinse off the bleach. I used the Shimmer Lights purple shampoo to help get that brassiness that the bleach left behind and let it sit for about 5 minutes before rinsing it off. Then I used the Pant conditioner and placed it on the ends of the hair and finger combed it. I didn't show it, but it left little to no hair fallout after the wash. I also plucked out a little more hair towards the front of the hairline off camera and waited for the hair to dry before I put my foundation on the lace. I then sprayed a little Got2b freeze spray to help the foundation stay on the lace. I then cut off the tab on the back of the wig and also cut the clip in the middle because I feel like it's pointless to have it there and will help the wig look less bulky up top. Alright, now time to prep my hair. I went ahead and did 2 quick braids to help my hair stay down and used the Got2b spray to help tame the flyaways before putting on the wig cap. I got this wig cap from my local beauty supply store and was not really a big fan of it, but that's all they had and I had to work with it. So I cut 2 small holes on each side of my ear and let them free before using the Got2b spray and spray a good amount around my edges. I then used my hair dryer in the cool settings to help the spray dry faster. Once dried, I took my shears and carefully cut off the cap just enough for my edges to still be covered. This part is pretty tedious. Just be careful not to cut too much of the cap off, and you don't want to cut your own hair in the process. I then went back to my freeze spray and sprayed the parts of the cap that were lifting, and used my rat tail comb to help sit it down on my forehead. I then put foundation on the cap to imitate my scalp and put alcohol in a cotton pad and wiped around the edges of the cap to remove excess makeup and oil before applying the wig. This is what the wig looks like freshly washed. It's so beautiful. Side note, Saray is terrified of wigs. I applied some mousse on the hair to help avoid flyaways, and then I cut the lace into 3 sections. I like working in sections because I feel more in control. So what I do is use a spray, which has been my best friend this whole video, and sprayed it on the middle section. I laid the lace a little more ahead of the wig cap and dried it on a cool setting. So this part I kind of made a mistake because I forgot to cut the ear tabs off first before laying the wig down. So make sure to cut off the side of the wig first where your ears are supposed to go before gluing your wig down. But whatever makes it easier for you, because I was low-key struggling. As you can see, when I was working my last section, I made sure to cut around the ear first before gluing down the wig. I then used this eyebrow razor that I got from my local beauty supply store and cut the extra lace. I find the razor helpful because it doesn't give that blunt cut, which you don't want, because you will see the lace more, and the goal is to make it as natural looking as possible. I then sprayed the parts of the lace that were kind of lifting to help it melt into my skin. So I only recorded the part where I cut my baby hairs, but my camera died by the time I tried forming the baby hairs, which I haven't noticed till after I wrap my hair. But yeah, so I went ahead and did my makeup and took off the wrap, and this is what it looks like. I then took my curling wand, which I got this from Amazon a long time ago, and did some cute wand curls. Once the curls are all cooled down, I wide tooth combed it. Then I took some of my concealer, which I didn't show, but I used the Urban Decay neutral / medium color and put it on the parting to make it look more natural. And there you guys have it. That's how I customize / install my wigs. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know what else you guys would like to see down in the comments, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye!